Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best GoPro 10 screen protector is probably one of the most essential accessories you can buy for your action camera, safeguarding its delicate display from the inevitable scratches, impacts, and smudges that come with capturing your most thrilling adventures, ensuring your footage remains crystal clear and your camera's interface responsive for every shot. Number 5. FiTSTILL Screen Protector for GoPro Hero 12 11 10 9. Introducing the FiTSTILL Screen Protector Kit, designed specifically for your GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9 black cameras. Get comprehensive protection for your valuable device. Experience ultra-clear, high-definition viewing with our screen protectors. The advanced coating resists fingerprints and maintains touch sensitivity, ensuring a seamless user experience. Crafted with 9H hardness tempered glass, these protectors offer superior defense against drops, scratches, and impacts. Keep your camera's screen safe from everyday wear and tear. This kit includes protectors for your back screen, lens, and front screen, ensuring all critical areas are covered. Please note, it is not compatible with the media mod. Each package comes with everything you need, including multiple screen and lens protectors, cleaning supplies, and a lens cover. You'll have all the essentials to keep your camera in pristine condition. What we like. This option provides a comprehensive set with multiple screen and lens protectors. It boasts high transparency for clear viewing and a durable 9H hardness to shield against scratches and drops. If you're looking for a complete kit that offers excellent protection and clarity for your GoPro, this is a solid choice. What people say. The protector is very thin and does not affect the touch screen responsiveness. It fits perfectly on the GoPro 10 screen and is easy to install without bubbles. The anti-glare coating works well, reducing reflections even in bright sunlight. Number 4. PCTC 9 PCS Screen Protector for GoPro Hero 12 11 10 9. Introducing a complete screen protector kit designed specifically for your GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9. Keep your camera's display and lens safe from everyday wear and tear. Experience stunning, undistorted visuals with our high-definition protectors. They maintain full touch screen sensitivity, ensuring a seamless user experience without any lag. Installing these protectors is a breeze. The edge-to-edge design ensures a perfect fit, and they are designed for easy application, so you can protect your camera in minutes. Built with 9H hardness and multiple protective layers, these protectors offer robust defense against drops, scratches, and impacts. Your camera screen will stay pristine. This comprehensive set includes tempered glass for the screen and lens, plus all the necessary tools for a clean and easy installation. You get everything you need in one package. What we like. This protector kit offers high-definition clarity, ensuring your footage looks crisp and vibrant. It's designed for easy installation and features 9H hardness for robust protection. If you prioritize a hassle-free setup and a clear, protected screen for everyday adventures, this is the one to consider. What people say. The screen protector is easy to install and fits perfectly on the GoPro 10 Black. It provides excellent protection against scratches and smudges, keeping the screen clear and responsive. The protector is thin and doesn't interfere with the touch screen functionality. Number 3. TELESIN Universal Underwater Phone Case. Capture stunning photos and videos underwater with this universal phone case. It's designed for snorkeling and diving, offering reliable waterproof protection. Easily operate your phone's camera functions with the integrated Bluetooth shooting control. Use the built-in buttons for a smooth experience, even at depths of up to 20 meters. This case fits most smartphones, including a wide range of iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models. Its adjustable design ensures a secure fit for phones with screens from 5.4 to 6.9 inches. The premium glass lens offers exceptional clarity and preserves true underwater colors. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand your aquatic adventures. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its DSLR-inspired design. The integrated vacuum pump removes air to prevent fogging, keeping your lens clear. With simple button controls, you can zoom, switch cameras, and capture moments effortlessly. It's designed to make underwater photography accessible to everyone. Remember to rinse the case with fresh water after saltwater use and dry it thoroughly. This simple step ensures its longevity and reliable performance for future dives. What we like. This is a specialized underwater housing for your smartphone, allowing you to capture photos and videos while snorkeling or diving. It features Bluetooth control for easy shooting and is compatible with a wide range of phones. If you're an aquatic adventurer looking to document your underwater experiences, this case is essential. What people say. The screen protector is easy to install and fits perfectly on the GoPro 10. It provides excellent protection against scratches and smudges, keeping the screen clear. The touch screen functionality remains responsive with the protector on. Number 2. ULBTER Lens Screen Protector for GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9. Introducing the ULBTER Lens Screen Protector, designed to perfectly fit your GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9 black cameras. This pack offers comprehensive protection for both your main screen and the smaller front display. Experience crystal clear viewing with our ultra-thin protectors. They maintain the highest definition and sensitivity, ensuring your camera's touch screen remains responsive and vibrant. Crafted with 9H hardness tempered glass, these protectors shield your camera from impacts, scratches from keys and knives, and everyday wear and tear. Keep your lens safe from damage. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. Our protectors feature bubble-free adhesives for a smooth, automatic fit, leaving your camera looking brand new. This set also includes silicone lens caps to safeguard your lens from dirt, dust, and scratches. It's the complete package for maintaining your action camera's pristine condition. When it's time to replace them, our protectors remove easily without leaving any sticky residue behind. Your camera's screen will remain as good as new. What we like. This package offers dedicated protection for both the lens and screens of your GoPro. It includes a handy silicone lens cap for extra security and maintains high-definition clarity. If you want to ensure your GoPro's optics and displays are shielded from damage and dust, especially the lens, this is a great option. What people say. The screen protector is easy to install and fits perfectly on the GoPro 10 Black. It provides excellent protection against scratches and smudges, keeping the screen clear and responsive. The protector is also very thin and doesn't interfere with the touch screen functionality. Number 1. TELESIN Magnetic Backpack Clip Mount. Introducing the latest innovation from TELESIN, a versatile magnetic mount designed for your action camera and smartphone. It offers flexible mounting options, functioning as both a magnetic clip and a backpack strap clip. Capture every angle with its 360-degree rotating ball head. Easily switch between horizontal and vertical shots, or achieve dynamic tilting views. Locking and unlocking is a breeze with its simple knob design. Crafted from durable ABS and featuring a strong grip with serrated edges and a powerful spring, it securely attaches to your backpack strap. Enjoy hands-free recording during all your outdoor adventures. This mount is designed for broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with a wide range of action cameras, including DJI, GoPro, and Insta360 models, as well as most smartphones. The package includes everything you need: the 360 rotation magnetic backpack clip ball head, locking screw, AE adapter, and a phone holder. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 90-day warranty. What we like. This is a versatile magnetic backpack clip that allows for 360 degrees rotation, enabling dynamic shooting angles. It offers a strong grip and is compatible with a vast array of action cameras and smartphones. If you're a content creator who needs a hands-free, adaptable mounting solution for various adventures, this clip is a game-changer. What people say. The screen protector is easy to install and fits perfectly on the GoPro 10. It provides excellent protection against scratches and fingerprints, keeping the screen clear and responsive. The protector is thin and doesn't interfere with the touch screen functionality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.